Hello, it's Christian with Mate. One way to make your home app easier to navigate is by making the scenes and devices you use most favorites. Favorites are displayed when you select Home at the bottom of the screen. To favorite a scene, find the scene, then press and hold it. Select Settings, then Done to dismiss the keyboard. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and switch on Include in Favorites. Then select Done. Adding devices to favorites is similar. Find the device, then press and hold it. Select Settings, scroll down to Include in Favorites, and switch it on. Removing scenes and devices from favorites is done the same way, only switch Include in Favorites to Off. Thanks, and have a great day. Check the description for links to products to take your HomeKit to the next level. Subscribe to be notified as new help videos are released.